Good evening and happy Monday to you. We're still under that ABC-7 first alert. The winds are expected to weaken over the next couple of hours, but yeah, there's still a factor out there, and temperatures are quite chilly as well. All of this is due to a cold front that moved through yesterday, and certainly the temperatures are cooler. 50s are expected by the 9 o'clock hour, and then even upper 40s overnight tonight. I know we have some gardeners across the region. If you have any plants that are sensitive to cooler temperatures, you'll want to bring them in. I know my tomato plants and my pepper plants have to bring them in, even though the temperatures are not too bad during the day. They're too cool at night. Rain chances. We do have overall low rain chances, not only for the rest of tonight, but through the next couple of days as well. A couple light showers are impacting folks down in the lower valley through Tornillo, but overall not much rain is expected, and even more activity up to our north. It looks like overall most of that activity will stay either to our north or to our south of those of us in Las Cruces and El Paso. Winds are really the big story today and the next couple of days, although they will be weaker tomorrow. You could expect winds just at about a 30-mile-per-hour level. That'll be the strongest they get. 20 for your Wednesday, and then much better for your Thursday. Friday and Saturday, though, even Sunday, back to a breezy level. That will include your holiday. And here's what I'm recommending. Don't bother washing your car over the next couple of days just because we have the winds. The dust is possible, the rain is possible. It'll just make your car dirty. If not the next couple of days, then it'll happen by this weekend. So overall, not a good week. Just have those dirty cars driving around. Nobody's going to judge you. Forecast highs for tomorrow will still be at a cool level. 61 for El Paso with 58 in Las Cruces and Deming as well. If we look out to our friends out east, 57 for Sierra Blanca and 61 for Van Horn. Certainly cool. And if you want to fly a kite tomorrow, would be a good day. Bring them out there. Temperatures a little bit warmer than what they've been so far today, and they'll only be on a warming trend. As far as Easter goes, it is looking to be a bit breezy out there. Some clouds could impact us, even low-end rain chances. Chocolate, because of the temperatures, will be in the 70s, low 80s, could melt. So make sure if you're going to any Easter egg hunts, don't leave the chocolate in the car because it will melt out there. Your 7-day forecast sponsored by Mattress Firm looks like this, with those temperatures warming up over the next couple of days. By this weekend, not looking bad at all. Tomorrow will be on the windy side, then it will be a little bit breezier for Wednesday. Thursday looking good, and this Easter, a warm one, but a breezy one as well. We'll be right back.